Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we need to talk about the WeCreat Lumos Ultra here, and more specifically the 100-watt MOPA fiber laser attachment that comes with it. I'm going to show you guys engraving this $8 survivalist knife here from Harbor Freight here and turning it into something truly epic with just one pass on both sides. It was 8 minutes total of engraving, or 4 minutes and 2 seconds per side of engraving. That's how fast this laser can go. Other than that, this machine also comes with a 6-watt UV laser in it as well, making it 2 lasers in one unit and capable of doing pretty much every material out there in the world. If you guys are interested in the WeCreat Lumos, I'll put some links down in the description below to where you can get it. But with that said, this machine has gone above and beyond anything that I could even set as an expectation for it. With the actual camera alignment is spot on. You can even offset the actual outline preview when it frames on the MOPA laser if you need to get the perfect alignment here. And that's what I did for this knife here. I'm going to show you the knife engraving. I'm going to share my settings on the machine while it engraves. If you guys have any questions for me about this engraving here, let me know down in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer it for you. With that said, let's go ahead and see this engraving, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. And here's a quick look at the right and left side engraving and all the settings that I used for the 100-watt MOPA laser here. If you guys aren't a member of the new WeCreat Lumos Ultra settings group, go ahead and join that as well. I'll put these settings in there so you can engrave this once you get your machine. If you're interested in one of these machines, I'll put some links down in the description below as well. But like I said, this was 4 minutes and 2 seconds on each side, making it just over 8 minutes total. And here's the final results of the blade here. I think it turned out phenomenal. It looks amazing. I'm going to put some more images up on the screen in just a second of a close-up look at this, but overall it looks awesome. It will disappear in some lighting, and then some lighting it looks really great in where it shows the nice dark black rich colors like this. And as you can see here, there is the final looking results here, a close-up of the blades and a picture of what it looks like in the end result. It turned out amazing here. And there you guys have it. That is the hunting survivalist knife engraving here. It took 8 minutes total for both sides to go through. It looks fantastic. I highly recommend this machine here. If you guys are interested in the WeCreat Lumos Ultra, I'll put some links down in the description below. If you guys are going to make something cool like this with it, let me know down in the comments below, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.